Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Wander app in Oculus. Here's our apps button. Click this and then select Wander app on your menu. So this is the main screen when you go in Wander, and you can open or close this map by clicking A button on your right controller. And you can go around, look around like this. Let's open the search bar on the map and find out an address. Once you click the search bar with your right controller, this keyboard will pop up and you can type here. When you're typing, also Wander will give you some suggestions. Other than typing, you can also use this microphone and then dictation to type anything else on search bar. Once you select the address on the map, you're going to go there momentarily. Voila, we are in La Sagrada Familia. In addition to your main map, you can raise your left controller and a mini map with other options will pop up. Next feature is zoom function on the map. There are two ways to do this. One, using left controller joystick up and down. Two, using plus and minus scale on the right side of the map. You can also use right controller joystick to move around on the map before teleporting to any place. Once you decide where you want to go on the bigger map, you can zoom in to the city center and then pick up a location you want to teleport. Let's go to the British Museum. Once you teleport a location, you can move by using controllers when the map is closed. Blue dots show you where you want to jump in, or you can use direction arrows in front of you by clicking them. Let's go to another place in London. Another great function is time traveling. You can go back within years through timeline function. From the menu, you can choose timeline and then select the year you want to go. Thanks to this feature, you can witness the change of a city or visually experience how a certain spot looks like in different times of a year. Another function is Discover. Open the map, select Discover at the bottom, and then you can teleport to famous places or you can save your places to here. Now let's take a look at Social menu. Here you'll see other Wander users' rooms. Normally it can be closed, but now some of them are open. Let's create a room. Select Invite Only. Then we need to invite our Oculus friends. Also, if you go to My Profile section, you can find your saved locations and controller layout. So once you create a room, your invited friends appear on the screen like this. However, they need to follow you to be in your location. You can find follow button under avatar of any person. You can follow only one person at a time. To follow a new person, you need to unfollow current person first. When following someone, you can look 360 degrees around you, but you can only move to any direction when the person you are following moves. This was the last step of our tutorial. Thank you for watching.